One of the things that's been helping us get a bunch more photos in our 5-star Google reviews, we changed the process at the end of the job when we asked for that review. We had been asking for the 5-star review, but then we had been also asking to take what we call like a successful customer photo, right? And they're almost like two separate asks. And so what we did was we combined those, and now it's just one ask, and we say, hey, it was an honor to be able to move you today. Thank you for allowing us to serve you and your family. Would you be willing to leave us a 5-star review with a photo? It would help us out so much. It helps us get more work, keeps our guys busy, yada, 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 right? That's our spiel. That's what we teach, and that's what we train on. And what we do is we have QR codes on the back of our work shirts, and we also have review cards. And the QR code goes straight to them literally writing the Google review. We have them scan that with their phone. It pulls up like the 5 stars in the box to write the review and the button to upload a photo. We go ahead and we say, let's go take the photo so that way you can put it in your review. We then ask the customer, hey, would it be all right if we take the photo with your phone? We click take a photo from the Google review view spot. We then take that photo on their phone and one of our guys' phones. We then hand that back to them, and now they're much more likely to go ahead and convert the rest of the review, and we've got the photo in there. We've guaranteed the photo in there because we processed it out. So if you're struggling with getting photos in your 5-star reviews, this might help you, because if you just create a process around it, then and you train constantly, it happens every single time.